Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn all about the causative have, which is a form of the passive voice. If you do like the video, then please hit like and subscribe to see more. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. So this video is actually split into two parts. We're going to start by looking in part one at have or get something done. So you can use have or get and it makes no difference. And in part two, we're going to look at a different use where you can only use have something done. So I would like you to imagine a situation. This is your mobile phone. Your mobile phone is broken. What do you do? Do you repair it yourself? No. You take it to a phone shop and a technician repairs it for you. You have your phone repaired by a technician. So let's take a closer look at this structure. If you have something done, you arrange for someone to do something for you, usually because they are an expert and you are not. So we use have or get in this case. Your phone, this is a noun, have something. And then repaired, this is the past participle form of the verb. And if we want to say who did the action, then we can say by and the person who did it. Usually we don't include this information, either because it's not important or it's just obvious. This is a form of the passive voice, and if you're interested in learning more about this, I'll put the passive voice video link in the description down below. Now let's see some examples. So we've got the structure up the top here, have or get plus noun plus verb 3 or past participle. Every year you have to get your car. What do you think is the missing verb? Serviced. You have to get your car serviced. And who services your car? By a mechanic. And I just want to point out something here about this verb, serviced. In the UK, this test is called the MOT. MOT stands for Ministry of Transport, which actually doesn't exist anymore. It was the government department that was originally responsible for this test. And we often say, I need to get the car MOT'd. So we actually use MOT as a verb. It's important to have your eyes regularly. Tested. And who do you go to test your eyes? An optometrist. She is having her picture what? Taken by a photographer. So a point about this, you can say take a picture or take a photo. It's exactly the same. I don't buy clothes if I have to get them what? What is happening in this picture? Dry cleaned. And who dry cleans clothes? By a dry cleaner. Many people nowadays get their teeth whitened. Notice the pronunciation here. It's not whitened, but whitened. And who whitens your teeth? By a dentist. And just to point out that nowadays means currently or at present, and we can use it in different positions in the sentence. You can say, nowadays, many people get their teeth whitened, and you can also say, many people get their teeth whitened nowadays. Last winter, we had to have the roof, what? Fixed. And who fixes roofs? By a roofer. So a roofer fixes a roof just like a footballer plays football or a builder builds. We're having our house renovated by a contractor. And this word renovated, this is British. In America, they would say remodel, and the past participles renovated and remodeled. He's getting his chest. Oof. What's happening here? Waxed. Ouch. And who waxes chests? By an esthetician. She has her eyebrows every week. Plucked. To pluck eyebrows. And who plucks eyebrows? The same, an esthetician. She's getting her hair cut. And who do you go to when you want to get your hair cut? She's getting her hair cut by a hairdresser. Now, I've included this one. He's getting his hair cut because we don't call the person who cuts men's hair a hairdresser. We call them something else. He's getting his hair cut by a barber. He's getting his beard. What's happening here? Trimmed. And again, he's getting his beard trimmed by a barber. I got my hair for my friend's wedding. Done. I got my hair done. You could also say I got my hair styled, but the most typical way is to say I got my hair done. And who does hair? By a stylist. I got my hair done by a stylist for my friend's wedding. She's getting her makeup for her graduation party. Done. So again, you get your makeup done, you get your hair and makeup done by a beautician, or could also say a makeup artist. I love getting my nails. What do you think? Done by a nail technician. I love getting my nails done by a nail technician. Okay, so that is the end of part 1. For part 2, I would like you to imagine another situation. You're walking home. Someone steals your wallet. When you get home, you realize you had your wallet stolen by someone. You don't know who did it. It's not important. The fact is, you had your wallet stolen. So let's look a bit more closely at this one. Someone did something bad, either to a part of your body or something that belongs to you. So here, you haven't arranged to have something done. You did not ask or pay this person to steal your wallet. It was something done to you by someone, usually someone unknown. And we use had. It's always in the past tense because we use this when we talk about something that happened in the past. And again, we have a noun and then the past participle. And if you want to say who did it, then we use by someone. But very often you don't know who did it. So let's look at some examples. I had my bag at the airport. What was done to my bag? It was searched. And who searches bags? By security. I had my bag searched at the airport by security. I had my bike while I was at work. Stolen. Who stole my bike? I don't know. By someone, by a thief. So the important thing here is the action and not who did it. We had our loan application refused. You could also say declined, as you can see in the picture. And who refused the application? Of course, by the bank. I had my nose in the fight. Broken. I had my nose broken in the fight by the person I was fighting with. For more English tutorials, then take a look at my channel. And if you do like the content, please hit like and subscribe to see more. See you in the next video.